For those of you that don't know me personally, I like to consider myself one of those peaked in high school kind of guys. I was friends with the older kids, I was popular, I was captain of the basketball team. I was kind of like Troy Bolton, but with a better singing voice. I was the guy, you know? And the reason I say I peaked was because it's not so much that now. And oftentimes when I wake up from my nightmares, I find myself asking why? Why, Jesse, are you no longer the guy you used to be in high school? And after dwelling upon it, I've come to the only possible solution being that I used to straighten my hair in high school. Now, I haven't straightened my hair in many, many years. My hair is straight now because I'm filming this intro after I've straightened my hair for this video. But I went through like a very intense, serious phase for about a year where I was straightening my hair every single day, and it was so bad for my hair. But it's been years since I've consistently straightened my hair, and since then I've become a professional hairstylist, so I think I know what I'm doing enough to justify doing it for one video. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. And look, I figured out something really cool with my hair. If I put my hair forward and go like this, there's that one scene of Geralt in The Witcher season 1 where I think it's after he fights the Striga where he's shirtless and he meets Triss for the first time and he's shirtless and all handsome and his hair's all like messed up, and this is kind of what it looks like, you know, he's like, "Urgh," but with like, you know, he's handsome and muscular. But I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said, this is a retcon intro, so without further ado, I've moved. Let's get started with the hairstyle. Okay, so we're here in the chair, but I've run into a problem, and that is that my hair is not 100% dry yet. I could blow dry my hair here, except Joseph is sleeping. So I'm gonna have to put the curl cream in, go to my bathroom where it is quiet, dry my hair, and then come back. Did you even notice I was gone? I'm back. This is my hair 99% dry. Could have gone to 100, probably should have gone to 100. I just don't care. But let's start off by sectioning this hair so I can get started with the straightening. Like I said, I've not straightened my hair since high school, and not only that, but when I was straightening my hair, it was never this long. So this is going to be a first in a while, and also a first ever. Let's see what we can do here. Ah, yes. Crispy, crispy, straight hair. Okay, we can do that better. You're a goddamn professional, Jesse. Look at that. Okay. This is not gonna be good. I can tell already, but we're gonna send it. I don't know how girls do the back of their heads. I know they have this like weird technique where they like pull it forward, maybe? That looks about right. I might need a couple passes. We'll try. Oh my God, what is going to happen? I haven't even thought about how I'm gonna part it. Let's see if this focuses. Hopefully, I can't see shit. What is happening? Is it working? I think I'm gonna hate this, but it's sitting quite nicely actually. The layers. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna look like Trav White. Welcome back to Jesse's Barbershop, everybody. In this celebrity hair breakdown, I'm gonna teach you how to do Trav White's hair. Dude, buddy, don't be choked that I'm gonna rock your hairstyle better than you. What's going on, guys? Trav White here. If you're into men's fashion, grooming, styling, listen to my voice. It's so soft and nice. This is so funny to me. I feel like my hair is going to seem so much longer if I ever finish this. I'm still not super convinced. Don't forget to check out my app, Mannered Mains, in the App Store. You can download it for free, and it's actually a sick app, so you should totally go check that out. Shout out Trav and the Mannered Mains. Again, sorry about stealing your hairstyle. You know what'd be sick for this is the Dyson Airwrap. If you're from Dyson and you're watching this, I would just absolutely love for you to send me an Airwrap without any contractual obligation to make you any videos or shout you out, just so that I have it. Maybe resell it or something like that. That'd be sweet. That'd be great for this. I think they sent Trav White a blow dryer, but they certainly ignored me. This is fantastic. Let's keep going. This is where things are gonna start getting a little bit sketchy, I think. Once it's high enough to start interacting with my face, I think this is where things are gonna start looking a little bit weird. Uh-oh, boys. This is literally just Trav White hair tutorial. No. Okay. Don't do that with your hair. Do as I say, not as I do. Anybody watching the Super Bowl this Sunday? I don't know when this video is coming out. Anybody watch Attack on Titan? Or Demon Slayer? Oh, I kind of want to do like a little curl that way. Aw, isn't that cute? Let's start with the other side. This side was easy because I'm right-handed. I feel like this side's gonna be hard because I'm right-handed. There's something satisfying about that. I feel like there might be, but can't really tell. Fuck, see, this is where things are gonna get complicated for me. Not amphibious. Yo, where's my neck at? Yo. Yeah, see that? That's not good. That's not ergonomic. Is my haircut uneven? Tyler. Yeah, no, you're good. I don't know what's going on, but fuck it. Send it. Yo. Oh, I missed. Look at that. Ergonomics. You guys wanna see a magic trick? Watch this. Whoa. You didn't even see what happened. That's how quick that was, but I also need that comb back. I dropped it. Oh my goodness. It's so straight. I feel like a girl. Keep going. Looks like I got the cutest little bob right now. It's actually like almost a sick bob. Girls know what I'm talking about. And also I've noticed something about you guys. You guys are always so attentive to what's going on my screen in the background, especially when it's Rocket League. I like when fellow Rocket League players comment, but if anybody can tell me what, oh, no, look. If anybody can tell me what's going on in the background right now while it's super out of focus, I'll give you a little bit more of a hint. If you can tell me what that is, bonus points in the comment section down below. Yep. If smoke's coming off the hair, don't worry about it. It's probably just the product burning off. It's what your hairstylists will tell you when they're burning your hair. It's never the product, guys. Your hair's burning off and you're letting them do it. Okay, I'm getting real lazy with these sections now, but I hope you understand. This is just not what I want to be doing with my time. Okay, we're almost done. We've got one more section. It looks like it actually should go that way, so maybe we'll do that, because why not? Okay. Fantastic. Could you see how a kid in high school with this haircut and style would absolutely just slay? Heck yeah, boys. Just get over that top layer to give it that clean finish. That side looks great. Okay, here we are. Straight hair Jesse. Look how cute he is. But we're not done yet, because obviously this is not cool. First thing is going to be a sample size version of Bumble and Bumble's Invisible Oil to help seal some flyaways. I don't know if this is gonna go well or if this is gonna go terribly, terribly wrong. But now that the hair's straight, I think what we do is we give her one of these. Nope, that was not it. Okay, but there we go. This is it. The straightened mane. The mannered mane. Okay, so this is my hair straight. You guys have never seen it before. This is a first time look. Internet's famous Jesse from Jesse's Barbershop with straight hair. But let me know what you guys think. I don't think it's too bad. I don't think I'd ever do it, but I don't think it's too bad. But I am curious as to what you guys think. So make sure you guys leave a comment in the comment section down below telling me which hair I should choose to have for my next Instagram photo shoot, which is coming up this weekend, and also my LinkedIn pictures. Tinder. I can't get over it. I'm liking this. Dude, with that Kevin Murphy touchable spray wax, that really gives it enough structure to kind of stay up and get all volume. Goddamn. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And hey, if you guys like my vibe and you want to stick around, I make videos on this channel. So if you like them, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, because it really helps with the algorithm. Even if you've been here before, don't forget, it really helps. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, join the free Discord server that we have, and big news, probably coming out next week, I am starting my website, which will be linked when it's ready in the description of all my videos. And what you can do there is just find a little bit more about me. And also what I'm doing is offering online hair consultation services. Enough of you guys have reached out asking for my time to do one-on-one hair services. So all the information on that is going to be on the website, as well as how to book and everything like that when that's ready. So keep an eye out for that. Just keep up to date. Follow me on Instagram. I think I said that already, right? Okay, let's just get out of here. We'll hopefully see you in, goddamn, the next video.